Okay guys, so it's the next day after we got our bed. We got our bed pretty late last night. Oh my gosh, I can't even Sam, seriously. Jeez. That's good. You're going way too fast. Hold on to that knife. You literally just hold on to it.
What?
Make sure you don't cut the mattress. Better hurry up because it's gonna inflate really fast. Alright, so we just let it inflate for a couple of hours. I guess we'll check on it tomorrow. Yeah, now I'm gonna go check on it, see how much, if it's like expanded even more, even though I don't think it will, because I think that was pretty much all it was gonna expand to. But I'm just gonna go show you guys, test it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Pretty standard. I think it's a good mattress for the price. But yeah, right when it came out of the bag or whatever, the box, it expanded pretty much to how much it's supposed to expand to. I'm laying on it right now. Oh, that's so cute. Lucy's like, what are you doing? I am laying on it now. Is this a weird angle? Probably. But anyway, it is definitely very soft, but it's soft, but it's not like too soft. It's actually kind of a firm bed. Let me lay on it on my back. I'm doing all the angles here. Yeah, this felt really nice actually. I was kind of worried it was gonna be like too soft and uncomfortable because I don't really like that. However, this is a guest like bedroom mattress thing, so I think it's gonna work out perfectly fine. It's a lot better than having an air mattress, so I'm really happy with it. I've had a breath. And I don't see anything like weird. Like there's no weird bugs, or you know, people put reviews on there that sometimes there's like weird stains or might be little bugs in there, or I don't know, just random things, but it's actually really clean and nice. So yeah, so it has like this is what the mattress texture looks like. It's really soft. And yeah, so now I just need to get some sheets to do this bed. We do need to get a queen size frame. And yeah, just start putting some furniture in this room. So yeah, not much to say. I think that's pretty much it. This mattress was a pretty good price and it feels pretty nice. Yeah, I think that's it really. Here. Yeah, I feel like you're watching me. Okay, so that is the end of my Amazon mattress unboxing review thing. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this. So yeah, super happy with it. Definitely recommend. I will link it down below in the description if you're interested. And yeah, that's it. Hope stop looking at me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Got this one staring me down, creeping me out. Okay, bye.